First fight.
First five, pasok.
First five, both teams.
First fight. First fight.
Oy, first five dyan, first five. Pasok na. First five dyan, pasok na, oy.
So, pala ng alas 10 ah.
Pala ko.
Thank you. Sige.
First five, both teams. This is our main event of the evening. WCBL versus R&B Muscle Gym.
May dadagdag na.
Tito no, tito.
Sa pula, sa puti,
Mano,
saan kayo?
mano muna.
Bench, isang mabilis sa pitik. Dali, dito sa amin. Alright. Yeah, game. May number 8 yung parehas number 8 yung ano. Okay lang.
Oo nga, number
81. Sige.
Lagyan mo na letter yung ano. Nagsisimulang apelyido na letter.
Who gets the ball? Kulon.
Kaso ang hirap pala.
An early foul on number 11, Moscoso. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws, rewarded for number 8, Fuizon. Too much muscle behind for Fuizon. Second throw is on the way. Gets a lucky roll, 1 out of 2 on that trip on the line. Here's Gonzalez. Gonzalez over to Moscoso. Back to Gonzalez. Being hounded. Big double. Binigay sa ilalim. Good pass. 2 points. For number 24. Turn the assist to Gonzalez. 14, sorry. Here's number 10. Number 10. 3. Official score is 4-2 in favor of WCBL. Here's number 18, Romero. To number 14, hustles his way. Number 14 shoots, no. Alvin. Number 14, down number 10, Rotasio. Rotasio is gone. 2 points for number 10. Making our tally 6-2. Here's Gonzalez.
Tito na.
Aldon Gonzalez over to Laksamana. Gives it to Alvin. Alvin makes his move. But there is a foul downstairs. Caught on number 19.
18.
19?
That is his first personal foul. It was the first team foul. 2 free throws for number 18, Kois Alvin. Gets the friendly roll on the first.
Malalaki din kay Nick. Ayan ah.
No good on the second, 1 out of 2.
May center na kayo.
Score 63 with 8 minutes and 38. Here's number 19, number 28, Gambila. Over to number 4. Sa corner. Number 10, defense by Laksamana. Here's Moscoso. Quickly to Aljan. AJ speed, in and out. Rebound Moscoso. Power move, no good. Rebound number 28. Number 8, who is on. Sidestep beauty, no good. Moscoso with the board. Here's Gonzalez. Gonzalez being hunted by Quizon. Gonzalez. Gives it to number 14. Sa ilalim. Moscoso, put back, yes sir!
Oso!
6-5, our official score under 8 minutes remaining in our first quarter. Candila, over to number 10, or number 8 I should say. Number 28, 52. 2 points for number 28, Candila, making the tally 8-5. 7 minutes and a half in the first quarter. Here's Gonzalez, fires a tray. No. Rebound. Who gets the ball? Who's on? Number 8. Number 14 gets the basketball. Laksamana. Alvin. But there's a foul.
Number 19.
On number 19.
Fouls.
Siasico, that is his second personal foul, second team foul. Official tally is 8-5 in favor of WCBL. Gonzalez being given a pick. Gonzalez and number 3, no. Rebound number 28, Candila, 3-on-2 break. Protasio stops on a dime. Protasio, steal. Siasico to Quizon, 2 points. 13-5. Lalo na po ang kalamangan ng
Kanina pala kaya, di
WCBL.
nagka-charge. Nakapatay yung switch.
Here's Gonzalez over to Soso. To number 14, off the post. Estuista.
Uy, ata.
But there is a foul. Number 28, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Nagawan. And then Quizon. Quizon, no. Nakuha yung number 4. Naagaw ni Gonzalez. Gonzalez being doubled. Gonzalez, Chabain. Gonzalez, all the way. No, Moscoso with the board. Wala pa rin. Inbound violation.
5.
Game, ha?
5 na. Ayun, 5 ba? Player, teams 5.
Here's number 8, who's on?
5 minutes.
Who's on? 15 on the shot clock. Protasio, who's on?
Galing.
Violation.
Teams 5, teams 5.
Contents with the wrong pair of shoes. Number 8.
Palit players.
Napapagod lang ako.
5.
Chin.
Palit.
Palit 5. Ayan, umena.
Estuista. Wala pa rin. Candila. Candila. Raise up. Yes, sir. Change player.
Change 5.
Official tally is 15-5 in favor of WCBL.
Kaya pa, Kevin ah. Kaya pa eh. Kaya pa.
Here's Gonzalez, number 19. Over to number 30. Number 53, Escalade, sa ilalim. Luka. Same basketball, last touch on the white. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Cross-court pass, number 30, fires. No. Rebound by number 9, Jets. Deep pass. 2 points for number 13, Abate. 17-5 ang official tally. Here's Gonzalez. Binigay kay number 0. Wala. Rebound, Luka. 2 points for Luka Doncic. 17-7. Here's number 9, Jess. Jess. Sa corner. Basket and goal for number 4. 19-7.
Ano na kayo dito? Number 77? Oo. Wala bang dito?
Number 30. Number 32 points. 19-9 our official tally.
77?
Here's Gonzalez. Over to number 30. Back to Gonzalez. To number 0. Auto. Luca. Luca. Makes his move. Luca Doncic. Basket plus a foul.
Grabe yun ah.
Foul on number 28.
Nick, ganun mag-ano, Nick? Mag-locus Nick. 98. Para dyan kain eh, no?
That is his first personal foul. Bonus free throw is good for number 77, Luka Doncic. 20.12 official tally. 3 minutes and 8. Jets to number 28. To number 9. Number 9. No. Rebound 0. Number 0. Gives it number 19, Gonzalez. Kick ball.
Boss, dalawin
16 to shoot.
28, tama ka magkamali po.
28 saan?
Sa amin, Kandila at saka yung isa.
Okay.
Here's number 53, over to Gonzalez. 10 on the shot clock.
Anong pangalan yung isa?
Doncic. What a play for Doncic. Back-to-back plays for number 77. Making our official score 21 to 14. Here's Jets. Abate. Abate fires. Abate. Caught the foul on number 13. Only his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 13, Abate.
Tapos puro pa ito.
No good on the first for Abate. Last throw is good. Nothing but net. 1 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Abate. Official tally is at 22 to 14 in favor of WCBM. With great fishing expedition for Luka Doncic. But there's a foul on number 4.
Number 4? Galing yun, no? First.
Only his first personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 77, Luka Doncic. Sorry, 2 free throws rather.
Kaya na, papasok naman siya
Second
mamaya.
shot on the way
Makikita na rin yung apelido mamaya.
is good. 1 out of 2 on that trip on the line.
Dalawa? Isa lang, isa lang. Okay.
Here's Jess. Bringing number 4. 15 on the shot clock. Sa ilalim. Number 28. Number 28 to the basket. 24 to
Number 10
15.
yan, number 10. Yung isa ko niya. Para di malito.
10 na lang, 10.
10 na lang, 10.
Sige. Escalade. Escalade. Being hounded. Sa gitna, Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. Number 30 fires. No. Good save. Auto. Gonzalez.
May ganda pa ka sa...
No good. But there's a foul.
Number 9.
On number 9.
First.
Only his first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 0, Auto.
Gawa sa poste nito. Gawa sa buhos pa lang.
Good on the first for number 0.
Sasakit katawan mo pala dyan, Romnit, kung sumali ka. Bilog ang bula.
Second throw is no good. 1 out of 2. Offensive goal by Luka. Luka out to Gonzalez. Gonzalez
5
to
seconds.
escalate. Oh no, that is a triple. No. Jess, lead pass. To number 9. Rattling violation. Two. 59 seconds remain. Here's Gonzalez. Gonzalez behind, gives it to number 30. Over to Escalade, the big guy. Escalade, short step, no good. Rebound number 9. Anticipated pass by Gonzalez. Gonzalez behind. Gives it to number 0. Number 0. Escalade. Escalade plays short. Rebound Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Yes, sir.
Number 19, minute.
23 seconds.
19.
Here's number 9, Jess. With the last 16 seconds in the first. Jess gives it to Eden. Number 10. But there's a foul on number 53. Number 53, only the first. Personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 28.
Kung payat ang takpan siguro niya, sino ba ang malaw?
53.
Ha? 23 lang sa akin. 23.
Goal on the first.
Pasok yung una.
2 out of 2. And number 28.
Bola.
Last 11 seconds of the first quarter. Gonzalez gets the ball. 7 seconds. 4 seconds. Jens fires. Jens scores.
End of first.
End of the first quarter. Official score is 28-18 in favor of WCBL.
Gawa sa buhos yan. Dami nila pala, pare.
Kaya nga, tingnan mo.
Paano ka makakasingit dyan ko eh?
Hindi na ako, libre ko lang jersey. Ang dami nga oh. Kaya yung iba walang iwan eh.
2 teams nga daw sila, tayo ko eh. Trip na lang tayo.
Back to the ball game.
Isa nagpapa ko yung buzzer. Ayaw kumana ng buzzer.
Tingin ka dyan. Tingin ka dyan. Tingin ka dyan. Nag-ano tingin?
Ha?
Here's one more as we start the second.
Malayo din.
Tongal. Yes, sir. It works. 28-20. Dalawang minahalo lang ng pula. 15 on the shot clock. Number 19. Out to number 15. No. Same basketball. Last touch on red.
7 seconds.
7 on the shot clock. Quizon gets the ball.
5, 4, 3.
Number 19 fires. Number 19.
Bitaw?
3! 31-20. 11.8 for WCBL. Here's Valmores.
Yung ano. Si Dave, Anthony Davis.
Gonzalez. Number 10. Gonzalez, number 13. Bigay kay Tonggal, number 91.
5 seconds.
Shot clock. 1, 0.
Nakabola tuluyan. Basket for number 33-20, under 9 minutes. Here's Valmores. Number 10. No. Rebound. At ito si number 8. Who's on? Quizon. Okay. Red ball. Valmores. Gonzalez. To number 12. Good defense by Quizon. Quizon. Over 2, number 15, 2 points.
Number 15. Mabibilis na.
35 to 20. Labing limang na po palakpakan ng WCBL. Number 10. And there's a quick foul.
Number 4.
Foul on number 4.
First.
That is his first personal foul. First team foul. Same ball, 14 on the shot clock. Tonggal, the big guy. No, gets his own miss. Tonggal put back, no good. Akira big double. But there's a foul on number 12. Number 12, only the first personal foul. First team foul. Here's Quizon. Quizon signaling the play. Gives it to number 28, Davila. Quizon, 8 to shoot. No. Rebound number 8, quickly to Gonzalez. 2-on-1, Gongal. Okay. But there's a foul on number 8, Quizon.
First.
Only the first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 91, Tonggal. Too much muscle on the first attempt. Second throw is good, 1 out of 2. Here's Quizon. Cantila fires. Cantila! 3! 38 to 21. Amigo. Volvores.
Number 20 dyan.
Same basketball with 16 seconds on the shot clock. 16 to shoot. Tonggal. Nagkaman ng papasan. Gonzalez. But there's a pushing foul on number 28, Cantila.
Number 28. Dalawa.
That is his second personal foul. Third team foul.
Hindi may kandila.
Second team foul. Offensive four. Number 10. Rebound Cantila. Quizon with the basketball. Quizon makes his move. Sayalen, number 4. Number 4, kick out. Siasigo. No. Wet ball. That's coach on 1.
Taas pa muna nito.
Tonggal. Good defense by Cantila. Boston. Turnover.
Team 5.
Change players. Back to the action. Here's a basket to start. Good defense by Gonzalez. Gonzalez alone. Gonzalez scores. 38 to 23. Here's the pressure defense. And that's Gonzalez. Official score is 38-25 with 4 minutes and 41.
Ano bang bola? Oblong? Ay, malambot? Kaya palit yung bola. Kuha kayo malaki eh.
Hindi, meron kami malaki.
Hindi na maglaro.
Tsaka si Magnay, hindi rin. Kasi rin
Hindi kayang-kaya naman eh. Wala na kayo sa malaki.
Akala ko naman yung mga kasama niya.
Bonus free throw awarded for number 24, Long.
Lakas yung isa nyo.
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Yung 93 points.
Pinag-iigit ko na kasi. Pinagsama-sama ko sila kanina. Akala ko may Kevin. Wala, sinasasihan niya din sila.
Completes the three-point play, making the tally 38-26. Here's the pressure defense of R&B Muscle J. After quickly being harassed,
Next na yung match.
gives it to Overall. Number 9.
Nalubos kasi ano.
Looking at again to shoot. Overall fires. Short. Pablo Gonzalez. Gonzalez. AJ Speed. 14 Luka. Over to Laksamana. But there's a foul on number 26.
First.
Only his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws to number 24, Long. Good on the first.
Yung score naman ah.
Hindi mo kasama.
Sino kasama natin?
Hindi mo kilala yung mga
Second shot is good. 2 out of 2 on that kick on line. 38-28. Ano the pressure? Ano pressure na wala? Natasha. Number 26, fires. George. Laksamana. Gonzalez. Nagmamadali ang bola. Here's Gonzalez. Number 19, Gonzalez. To number Lucas Sanizada.
Nagkakamo yan.
Turnover.
Hindi nagkakamo yan. Hindi nagkakamo yan.
Number 28. Number 26. 28. 13 to shoot. Basket is good for number 9. Noah
Galing yun, no?
Kanina
pa yun nakarami.
28. With 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Gonzalez over to Luka. To Gonzalez. Fires. No. Rebound the basket. Turnover. Gonzalez, number 19. Gonzalez. Over to Luka. Luka Doncic. Luka scores. What's a foul?
Grabe yun.
On number 13, Amarte.
Dito na ano, nakikita ko magaling.
Grabe yun.
First.
Only his first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Yan ang
Mga Thunders na pero ang lalakas pa rin ah.
sino po ako yung kasi
Ah, si Randy.
Short on the bonus. Nakuha pa rin ni Luka. No. Rotation. Good defense. But there is a foul. Foul on number 10, Protasio.
Penalty.
Penalty. Protasio, that is only the first personal foul penalty. 2 free throws for number 23, Gonzalez. Nothing but net on the first attempt for Gonzalez.
Ay, sasabihin.
Sabihin mo, wala nang tao.
Gets the friendly roll to the other two. Abate. Number 26. Number 26, pick up the Protasha. Protasha fires. Protasha.
Marami na yun. Dalawa, tatlong trade.
Tatlo.
32. Chris Gonzalez. Being pounded. Nagawa. One ball. Last touch on red. Under 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 43 to 32. Number 9 to number 13. Go! Lima Gonzalez. Gonzalez igual mali. Number 19 Gonzalez. That pass. That pass in number 8. Number 9. Number 9 pulls up. No! Rebound Luca. Luca with the basketball. Quickly to Gonzalez. Gonzalez number 19. Clock is over. 15 on the shot clock. Runner for Gonzalez. It's no good. Nakuha pa yan sa ilalim. Loco. Touches a foul. Foul on number 26.
Dalawa.
Number 26, that is his second personal foul. Penalty.
Tatalan niya yung takbuhan. Pag nakashoot sila,
Two free throws.
bola, turtles,
To number 24, Loco.
Ganyan yung gawin nyo.
Good on the
Takbuhan nyo,
first.
takbuhan. Kaya kung huwag nyo papatayin yung oras, pagka-shoot, kunin nyo agad hagis.
One out of two on that trip on the line for Longo. Number 26 over to number 28. Number 28. Good defense. Number 28.
Sigat dito ah.
Wala. Same basketball. Last touch on red. Officials tally is 43 to 33.
Foul number 19.
Oh, foul on number 19. Only the first personal foul. Second team foul.
Buti hindi ka ma'am.
Number 26. Number 9. Spin move. Sa ilalim. Kick out. Number 28. No. Rebound Luca. Doncic. Gonzalez. No. Wala na po number 26. Number 10. Natasha fires. No. Number 26. Lays up. Wala. Gets his own miss. Number 28. Wala pa rin. Number 9. Put back 2.
Maraming iinom na kalaksan mamaya.
Luca.
Foul number 13.
But there is a foul on number 13.
Maraming iinom na kalaksan mamaya. Alaksan.
Abante. That is his second personal foul. Penalty. Two free throws awarded to number 24. Longman.
Iinom na kalaksan mamaya.
Logo on the first for Longman. Second throw is good. Nothing but net. 1 out of 2. Last 2 seconds. End of the first half. Official tally is 45 to 34 in favor of WCBL.
Dami kasi nila. Ang hirap ng hirap niya na yan.
Sige ito na kami.
Ang dami nila. Mama.
Ano naman, half time naman.
Wala, tuloy.
Meron ko sa labas, ako dito.
Tumbakan.
Dalawa lang.
Kung ano, Uncle Brother na kanina.
Hindi boss, ano yan?
Na ano
ano ka kanina?
Naunahan ako ng hawi.
Ha? Ano ka na hawi? Doon, no? Kita.
Kulangan lang kasi.
Galing eh. Magaling magdala yung bata eh.
Ah,
Tinira ako dito sa may tuhod, ginanon ako, pag ganun, kaya ako napaslide.
Kasi mo si Rep, hindi natin naman.
Hindi, okay lang.
Nagsama ka pa, ano?
Hindi kasi kanina humampas kasi.
Warning ka ngayon.
Takot ako, sorry ako, magbabayad ng 500 eh.
yun lang.
Pati na kami niyan ni Rep.
Okay na yan.
Mali lang. Maabono pa ako 500 dito. Kaya sorry ako daw kanina.
Kaya nyo naman.
Start of the third quarter.
Kaya nyo yun eh. Tinulang
Hindi,
ako.
nagkakapahan kami, boss. Ngayon ako nagsama-sama eh. Nagsama-sama ko na nga sila, akala ko may chemistry. Ay, sila pa nagkakanuhan niya.
Quezon to start the third.
Hindi ako manalo, binigay ko siya na eh.
Quezon. Quezon. Pinasa sa ilalim. Good pass. Good point for number 28. Official score is 47-34. Number 19, Gonzalez. Escalade now with the basketball. 13 on the shot clock. Gonzalez fakes. Gonzalez again now. Gonzalez, last 5 seconds. Gonzalez, that shot is good.
Sarap. Sayang. 35 sila galing, di ba?
34.
Tama yan.
Sengalan. Escalade with the ball.
Tama yan, 36.
Gonzalez.
I-score ka din dyan. Tapos nag-i-score ka din. Oo.
Ragawan. Number 9. Number 4. Cruz fires. No. Liga Lono. Nakita Tongay. Escalade. Tongay. Escalade. Yes, sir. 27-38. Here's Cruzan with the basketball. Over to number 4. Cruz. Sayada, number 28. Cruzon. Sayada. 5 on the shot clock. In and out. Rebound Gonzalez. Lomo. Go. Number 9. Number 4 gets the loose ball. Cruz. Ball is over. Cruz. Let's go. Rebound Tongay. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. 15 on the shot clock. Lomo. Tongay. Yes, sir. Quezon signaling the play. 15 on the shot clock. Number 9, Jess takes the shot. Number 4, offensive board. No good. He gets his own miss. Number 28, no. Number 4. Yes. 29-20.
Masisipag. Ha?
Galing mo umabol ng bola eh.
Galing mo mga ng bola, no?
Gonzalez, Dongal. Dongal, Escalade.
Uy!
Our official tally, 6 minutes and 38. Gonzalez, 12 to shoot. Dongal shoots, no. Yes. Good play. Good pass.
Ay, noto sila.
Sige, sige.
Escalade, all alone. Senale, Lomo, face, shoots, basket. There's a foul.
Time
out.
Foul on number 4.
Muscle gym.
Cruz. Timeout. Team R&B Gym.
Pagod yung mga Thunders. Basta lang na sa inyo, M. Daan yung takbuhan, M.
Sana maganda ulit takbo. Pinapunta ko sa Kuya Matthew para may mag-ikot ng player eh. Mahirap kasi nasa loob ka, iisipin mo ikot ng player.
Back to Logan.
Yan, Carlo Tomaro.
Dalawang week ko namin tinaglaro.
Sino?
Si McLean.
Dangkar.
Then, yung kasama ni Kuya Ted Jan.
Si Bads?
Malaki daw.
Last touch.
Last touch on White. Red ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 on the shot clock.
Basta hanggang ano oras ka dito lang?
Ha? Dapat na hanggang alas 10 lang eh.
Oo nga eh.
Sumobred na ako eh.
Congal fires. No.
May quarter pa lang po.
Hindi pala kaya ng tatlong game ah.
Number 28.
Puro kasi foul eh.
Siguro ano, 30 minutes.
Saka puro foul eh. Puro ka pang
Gonzalez. Gonzalez. 13 on the shot clock. Gonzalez. Alone. Go. Barba. There's a foul. Foul on number 8, Valmores. Only the first personal foul.
Sub.
Wait lang, pag ano, pag tapos ng free throw.
First team foul. 2 free throws for number 4, Barba.
Sub.
Substitution. Last throw on the way for Barba. No good. Red ball. Here's Gonzalez. Gonzalez over to Valores. Sa gitna, Escalade. Escalade, he's on. He's on. 2 points for Kuzan, making the tally 16-42. Gonzalez with the basketball. Denied by number 9. 14 on the shot clock. Valores. Gonzalez uses the ball. Lamba, quickly to Jess. 2-on-1. Jess, still good. Rebound Luka. Quickly to Gonzalez. Escalade.
Uy, puta ko.
Escalade good.
Ito mo ya? Sub daw.
Gonzalez.
Pag-under ball.
Pag-dead ball.
Slow standing play. 13 to shoot.
Oo, dito mo lang.
Number 9. Rebound Gonzalez.
Uy!
Substitution.
Pasok.
Sub. Pasok na.
Bumalik eh.
Bali pa? Oo. Hindi ko nakita eh.
Game. Wala, ibulan. Ayun lang. Pumasok. Change ball. Ito to, bola. Change ball na lang.
Mamaya na lang po rin. Dapat gano'n din ah. Para maaga pa agad.
Back to the action. Quizon signaling the play. Quizon gives it to number 4. 60-48 in favor of WCBL with 2 minutes and 54.
Wala na tayo magpareho ah.
Wala na tayo ba?
Both teams wala na pong timeout for this quarter. Both teams wala na timeout.
12.
Back to the ball game.
Swimming yung bola.
Gonzalez. Habol sa point. Gonzalez is gone. 2 points for Gonzalez. Official tally is 60-50. Sa pula lang ang nahabol.
Running time, running time.
Third pa lang pala kala ko first na.
Sa ilalim. Moscoso.
Ay!
Go. Luka. Gilbert.
Natin!
Nakuha ni Gonzalez ang usual. Gonzalez, number 19. Sa ilalim, Moscoso. Gilbert. Gonzalez with the ball. Gonzalez fires. Naksama na po ba? Wala pa rin. Foul on number 10.
Sub.
Holding foul on number 10, Production. That is his second personal foul, second team foul. Gonzalez fires. Long rebound Cruz.
Grabe yun ah.
Gonzalez.
Yun ah.
Number 28, Candila. Cruz goes on. Candila on the track. Production. Candila. Kaya na ang shot clock. Candila. Sa ilalim. Third play.
Ganda no? May chemistry na sila.
Moscoso fires, go!
Grabe yun!
Cruz, Laksamana, Gonzalez, runner, no! Gonzalez, nilag na bagya, 2 points. 64, 42, and 52.
Grabe tas tumalon.
A dozen point
Wala ko daw ang block.
DJ.
Grabe na.
Number 28, Candila. Candila Logan. Ivan Moscoso. Ivan Gray. Gonzalez, Moscoso. Gonzalez. No. Ivan Quizon. Production stops. Fires. In and out. Ivan Laksamana. Quickly to Moscoso. Gonzalez. Short. Gonzalez. Yes, sir.
Downside.
Basket is good. Official tally 64-54.
Ganda panoorin
In
na.
favor of WCBL.
Nakakalibre tayo ng larong maganda ah. Hindi nakakaantok panoorin ah. Sarap panoorin ah. Aabangan ko sa Lunes yung laro na team.
Lakain kami dyan, boss.
Kayo kalaban? Upstairs.
Yung talo kami, laglag na.
Mas alam niyo pa no kung sila kalaban nyo. Bubutas pa
Gago may ano na.
Meron na, kaya
May schedule kasi nakapost na yun.
sa butas ng oras na nagkalaban.
Ginagawa kasi yung gagawin yung second floor. Gagawin yung simbahan.
Hindi, kailangan mga 6:40 na.
Back to the ball game.
6:30 nandito na.
Oh, 6:30.
Start of
Kasi
the fourth
magsisimula,
quarter.
Hindi, kahit Jason nilagaan. Sakto naman yun.
6:40 talaga simula sa susunod.
Pwede naman, sige.
Pwede.
Red ball, let's watch the
Schedule ng 6
ball.
boss.
Ha?
Wala naman nag-schedule ng 6.
Wala nga. Kaso baka di naman kaya ng ibang player eh. Baka di pumunta ng maaga.
Ano kasi yun na boss?
Gonzalez, basket was a foul.
Uwian yun eh.
On number 9.
Eh, sakto lang.
Alas 5 kasi.
Sakto na yung oras.
Number 9 ha?
Number 9.
Number 9. Dalawa pa lang.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw for Gonzalez. Basket is good.
Madami na
Official tally is 64 to 57. Pito na lang ang hinahabol ng R&B Gym.
Isang kumpanya lang.
So, number 9, 2 points. Robert Piestas, number 9. Gonzalez. Out to Gonzalez. No, rebound tanggal.
Hello ko.
But there is a foul called. Number 19.
Ano nangyari?
Yun.
Yung may hinahands po.
Hands po?
May hingi.
Okay na, nakakuha ko na doon sa mali.
Jess. Interception over. Cruz. Cruz ang ilalim. Number 9 over. Long over the basketball. Under 9 minutes remaining. Here's Agency. Fates. Nakuha pa rin. Laksamana, Tonggal, short stab, yes sir! 66 to 59, ito ang kalaman ng CBL. Jess, gives it to number 9. Jess, number 9, all alone. Go! Rebound Tonggal. Ginone Gonzalez, who's playing point. Pwede ko lang sa mana. Sa ilalim, Gonzalez. No. Rebound Longo. Basket is good for Longo. 66 to 61. It's a 5-point lead for WCL. 8 minutes and 3. Jess. Violation.
Time out. WCBL.
Timeout WCBL. Official score 66 to 61 in favor of WCBL with 7 minutes and 59 in the fourth and final
Hindi
quarter.
nakakaantok niya. Nalagbagan eh. Big kaya mo lang. Nandiyan ka na. Dapat sumali ka pala sa upstairs mo eh. Red Bull.
Back to the ball game. Laksamana, Gonzalez, fires. No. Rebound number 28. Who's on? Benitez. Gonzalez. Naagaw. Number 28. Number 9. Yes, sir. 69 to 61. Gonzalez. Laksamana. Tonggal. Olo. Yes, sir. 69-63. With 7 minutes and 5 in the fourth. Batusan. Quizon. 15 on the shot clock. Quizon to Jess. Barba. Block from behind. Jess. Jess fires. No. Rebound Longo. Gonzalez with the ball. Gonzalez. Longo. Longo. What a move. 2 points for Longo. 69 to 65.
Ganda ng pag-ikot.
2 Two possession voting.
Ganda ng ikot din, nakita mo, Jay.
Batusan.
Ang bilis ng
15
sabay
on the
dito.
shot clock. Quizon. Sa ilalim, Batusan. Reverse. Good defense. Cruz. Fires. No. Tonggal. Gonzalez. Pulito Longo. Longo. No. But there is a foul on number 8.
Sarap pa ng ulo, Jay, no?
That is the second personal foul. Second team foul.
Boss, 2 fouls siya.
Ah, 2 fouls.
Hindi, isa pa lang. Ay, isa pa lang.
First team foul rather.
Isa pa lang
You're
yung
on
boss.
first.
Ipag mo. Para may pangtalpak.
Second throw is good as well. 2 out of 2. And then ang hinahabol ng
Nagbigit na naman sa
RBG.
ano.
69 to 67 with 6 minutes and 5. Quizon. Quizon attacks. Fishes a foul downstairs. On number 23, Gonzalez. Substitution. Gonzalez, that is his first personal foul. First team foul. Barba inbound. Quizon decides to shoot. Short. Rebound. Cruz. Barba. Short basket goal for Barba.
Ganda panoorin, ah.
71 to 67.
Parang nanonood ng finals, Jay, ah.
Gonzalez. Tonggal in the middle. Gonzalez fires. Short. Rebound Barba. Nagol
Bilis na yan.
Gonzalez. Laksamana. Tonggal. That's foul.
Foul number 10. Dalawa.
Number 8, that is his second personal foul.
Number ano?
28.
Number 10 yun. Dalawa. 11.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for Tonggal.
Bili nga ako bola bukas.
Ito pantay sarado sa
Dalawa
NBA
bola.
pala eh. Pantay sarado.
Second throw is good for Tonggal. 71 to 68. 5 minutes and 20. Cruz, eye to eye with Gonzalez. Leading the stick. He's on. Torcacho fires. Red ball, last touch on White. Under 5 minutes remain in the fourth and final quarter. Here's Gonzalez. Gonzalez, Colombo. Tonggal. But here is a foul
Number 10.
on number 10. Protasio, that is his third personal foul. Likewise, a third team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 91, Tonggal. Nothing but net. Good on the first.
Championship yung nakakun eh. Parang championship.
Parang championship, pero si Kuya di na pumapasado, nanonood no. Yung tricycle, no.
Kaya nga eh.
Hold on a second. Offensive board. Nakuha ni Gonzalez.
Ayun lang po.
Tonggal. Tonggal makes his move. Tonggal. Tonggal. Naagaw. Linis. Cruz. Gonzalez.
Grabe yun! Grabe, Jay! Grabe yun!
4 minutes and 21. Galing. Ang palalangan ng WCBL. Here's Gonzalez.
Bata pa yun eh, no?
Same basketball.
Ang galing nun! I-highlights ko yun, Jay.
Parang share lang kanina.
Nalalagdag yung bola. Di pa matatapos yung laro, ha? Pag nalagdag yung bola.
Laksamana. Gonzalez fakes. Gonzalez pinapit. Lance shot is good for Gonzalez. Isang possession na lang. Batusan. Cruz. Back to Batusan. 14 on the shot clock. Cruz. Cruz. Cross court to Protasio. Protasio fakes.
5 seconds.
2 seconds to shoot. Quezon fires. Whoa, rebound Lolo. Lolo, 3 on 2 break. Lolo, same ball. On the shot clock. 20 seconds to shoot.
Sub.
Substitution.
Lapit kayo dito.
Dobao in. Number 4, Baba out. Laksamana receives the ball. Over to Gonzalez. Gonzalez fires. Gonzalez!
Lamang na.
74 to 73. Change of player.
Bumalik
3
siya ka.
minutes and 21. He's on. Cruz fires. Basket good. We have a seesaw battle right now.
Ang nanalo ng finals, Jay, ah.
Gonzalez to AJ Speed. Fires. No. Rebound to the 9. Foul. On number 19, Laksamana. Laksamana only his first personal foul. Second team foul. Number 4, Tizon. Topacio. Sa gitna, Dobao. Dobao, in and out. Rebound. Number 24, Gonzalez. Quickly to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, yes sir!
Bilis ang putik.
76
fast break,
to
you know?
75, isang kalamangan, Alred. 2 minutes and a half. Offensive foul! Turnover.
Uy, focus ka, focus!
Third.
That is the third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Gonzalez, Laksamana. Gonzalez. No. Tonggal, fakes. No. Nakuha ni Quezon.
Uy!
Yun. 7 to 76.
Ang lalapit ng kona.
Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Longo. Longo. Nagawan. Nagawan. Number 8. Matusan is all.
I'm out.
Hang on. R&B Gym.
Isa pa.
76 in favor of WCBL with a minute and 46 in the fourth and final quarter.
Both teams.
Both teams have one timeout each.
Para ako nanonood ng finals, ah. Para ako nanonood ng finals. Kaya na, ano? Ano yung nanonood ko sa kaibigan ko, ah.
Hindi naman ako ito eh.
Okay lang.
Kailan mo ako nakita na wala ng fighting spirit?
Pero,
Kung kanina, ilang kanina.
Gonzalez. To Gonzalez on the team. Gonzalez fires. All 79, a minute and 34.
Jay, kunan mo, Jay, ah. Mga maganda yan, Jay.
So, clean on the shot.
Kailangan, Jay.
Gonzalez, the defense. Gonzalez, 2-on-1. Gonzalez is down.
Out!
Timeout, WCBL. Official score, 81 with 1 minute and 17 remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Sarap panoorin, ah.
sando ko, picture ako, panalo kami.
Back to the ball game.
Attention tayo sa ano sa score Baka magkamali ako ng pindot
Sige lang, boss.
79.
We are down the wire. James goes on. James goes on. Wants to go in the middle. Picasso. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. With an important possession. Doncic. Pongal. Laksavana. Gonzalez. Fakes. Drives. Doncic. Loses the handle. All alone. Picasso. Oh, 2 points. 37 seconds remain. All 81. 16 on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Ano?
Gonzalez.
Ano ka?
We are going into overtime.
Sa... May overtime pa ako.
Tig isang foul na lang, di ba, boss?
Hmm?
Tig isang foul. Ano na yun, pre? Ano yun?
Tigis penalty.
Di ba, kuya, tig isang timeout lang ulit.
Game reset natin, both teams may tag-isang timeout for the overtime period.
Continuation penalty yan. Continuation penalty.
Ano yung bilang mo?
Ilan yung fouls na?
Tatlo.
Tatlo kami.
Tatlo siya.
Isa lang sa pala.
Gano'n bola dito
Basta mo,
kanina
ano,
eh. White tayo, white.
White.
Oh, white.
Boss, lista mo boss, tatlo. No? Tatlo daw yung CBN. Isa dito. Isa dito.
White, white!
Dapat ikaw kumuha ng bola.
Team fouls natin, WCBL with 3 team fouls and 1 for RNBJ.
Di ba fourth quarter sa kanila? Kanina? Tama, di ba?
Jumble pala tayo siya.
Ah, sige, sige.
Jumble, jumble.
Red. Jumble. Kasi, ano, jumble.
Overtime, jump ball.
Dito pa rin kayo. Kapag rin court nyo. Di ba dito pa rin court nila? Jumble lang. Fourth part.
Overtime yun.
Overtime. Jumble rin. Oo. Continuous pa rin yan. Hindi naman titiis ng pag-
Here we go. Gonzalez, straight up, yes sir! Plus a foul on number 4, Cruz. That is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Kasi warning for penalty. Dapat na dyan. Team
Ha? Apat na?
Bonus free throw awarded to Aljon Gonzalez. No good on the bonus. Here comes Guzon. Nagao. Short. Randall.
Nahirapan sila dito. Mr. Chemistry siya.
Gonzalez, number 19.
malaki.
Luka Doncic. Gonzalez. To Gonzalez. HHP. Gonzalez fires. No. Last touch on right. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot.
Understood.
Laksamana receives the pass. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Doncic. Luka Doncic. There's a foul.
Tatlo.
Number 4, that is his third personal foul penalty. 2 free throws awarded to Luka Doncic. No good on the finish.
Kanina pa yun yung ano ba, taas ng talong kanina.
Last throw is good. 1 out of 2 for Luka Doncic. Making the tally 84 to the
At saka siya yung mas malawak yung vision. Pero mas laki niya.
Here's Jess. Jess, Renee Cruz. To the ball. Agaw Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Gonzalez fakes. Gonzalez. Nakuha niya. Gonzalez. Number 19, Gonzalez. Shot clock. 8 seconds. Nakagawa. Quezon. Quezon lays up. No. Rebound Jess. Wala. Good defense sa foul. Luka Doncic. Ogal. Gonzalez. All low.
Nice pass.
Yes, sir.
Time out!
Timeout. WCBL. Official score is 86-81 in favor of RNBJ with 2 minutes and 15 remaining in the overtime period. Back to the ball game. To be exact, we have 171 seconds remaining.
Ang laban ah.
Here's Jess. Jess being counted by Gonzalez. Jess. Babao. Or number 4, I should say. Luka Doncic with the board. Gonzalez. Or Gonzalez. 2.5 remaining in the overtime. 13 to shoot. Gonzalez makes his move. Nakagawa. Jazz. Jazz closes down. Nakuha ni Captain Steele Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Using the back wisely. Gives it to the other Gonzalez, number 23. 13 to shoot. Laksamana. Tongal. Luka Doncic. Gonzalez, short stand. Yes, sir. 88-81. Jess. Jess Malen. Shoots. In and out. Rebound Barba. No good. Rebound Luka Doncic. 88-81. A minute and 31. Tongal. Wisely using the clock. 10 on the shot clock. Doncic fakes. There is a foul. On number 28, Candila.
Ay, sayang!
stepping on the line of violation.
Haba na sapatos eh.
Galing mo rin, 20-20 ang paningin mo.
Second throw. Falopa adjusting his foot. No good. White ball, last touch on red. Here's Jess. With the basketball. Bakusan. No.
Lapit kayo dito!
Lapit, lapit.
Lapit kayo, lapit.
Lapit pag magsasab!
Wisely step, stepping on the brakes is Gonzalez. 10-2. 8-2. From Gunfire. Basket throw. 2 points. Turnover.
Yan, tapos na yan. Tanapos na yung 3 points na yan.
Gonzalez. Salalim, Maxamana, Gonzalez. Agaw. Here's Cruz. Cruz. Fires a triple. No. Rebound by Zan. 2 points. Gonzalez. Mukhang sumubura ang team ng BCBL.
Ganda ng laban.
Ako boss LC yung ganun, hindi rin. Nanalo pa yung mga tigulang.
Okay.
Shake hands.
Our winning team, R&B Gym, with official score 91-83.
Ganda ng laban eh.
Our best player of the ball game goes to number
Kaya nga,
23,
napakita kiras na naman eh.
Gonzalez.